costume show for us.
I am a shiny apple. Look, I am red. You can eat one right now. Come on, go ahead.
I am a banana. Eat one with your meal. You see, I'm delicious. Just don't forget to peel.
We are a bunch of grapes, crunchy and sweet. We taste better than candies. You're in for a treat. We are strawberries. Look, we have seeds, juicy, ripe and shiny. We are fun indeed. I am an orange, I'll help you exercise. You can have me whole or chew on a slice.
I am a